Easy way to improve the function of your blood vessels. Vascular endothelium function tends to decline as we get older, unless we have a healthy lifestyle and eat a certain way. The endothelium is the inner layer of the blood vessels. Research has shown that the severity of endothelial dysfunction relates to cardiovascular disease. Is there really an easy way to improve that? Yes, there is, and I will get into that in a moment. I just want to explain some few things that affects the function of the endothelium. Endothelial dysfunction is associated with increased oxidative stress, an important promoter of inflammatory processes. For that reason, a dysfunctional endothelium may contribute to plaque destabilization and plaque erosion because of its reduced anti-inflammatory and antioxidative potential. If you could reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, you could also improve endothelial function, which means you would improve the function of your blood vessels. This research is interesting. Flow-mediated dilation, which is an indicator of endothelial function, were measured in a group of postmenopausal women. They were then put into either a control group, a moderate aerobic exercise group, or a group taking curcumin for 8 weeks before retested again. Flow-mediated dilation increased significantly and also equally in both the exercise group and the group taking curcumin, but no changes were observed in the control group. Since curcumin has shown to reduce both inflammation and oxidative stress, it would make sense that endothelial function would improve. The best solution would of course be to both exercise and take a well-absorbed form of curcumin.